You hear that sound? That's the sound of a rocker arm, you guys, making that noise. All these Hondas do that. When they get hot, they'll mellow out. When they're cold, they're a little noisy. See how it's starting to go away? Starting to get quiet. So that sound, you guys, everybody's posted on the internet and they're trying to figure out what that tinging or clicking or clunking noise is. Well, I'm going to tell you what it is. That is the rocker arms for your valves. So the next time you open up your valve covers on this, you take your gas tank off from your seat, your side panels, and then you gotta remove the plastic underneath where your hoses are. And you open up your valve covers. On the exhaust side, you can take it and wiggle it just like that. All of the Hondas do that as far as I know. Every Honda, brand new one, you go up to in the store and start one up. Makes the same noise. Maybe not as loud because this one here is 2006, 9 years old, and but they all do it.